Hello everyone, here's a quick video to show the dynamic Notion calendar icons. It's available for all the time zones, so you can copy yours. If you are not sure which one to use, just go to every time zone. It's super simple to use. You choose your time zone, you just need to copy. Once you copy the time zone, you can go to Notion. And let me create a new page here. This will be for today. For the icon, you need custom and paste. You hit submit and there you have the icon showing today. The same applies for callouts. You can add a callout. And in the custom, once again, you paste and hit submit, and there you have the icon showing today. And also for blocks, for example, you can have two columns here. Let's add some text and let's paste here and use embed, and you will have the icon as well. So the idea is that you have a live icon, it's dynamic, and you will always see the current day. And that's it. You can use it for page icons, for callouts, or for blocks. Give it a try and let me know what do you think.